But tonight I'd risk it all.
Arching your back.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juanita if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got my wash and go. I made a video last year on my wash and go, but a lot has changed since then, so I thought I'd update y'all. So if you like this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, and comment. Tell me, let's see if we can get this video to 15 likes. No. Yeah, 15 likes. Let's get this video to 15 likes. And if it gets to 15 likes, I'll shave my head. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, let's get into the video. So my wash and goes are pretty much the same. I still use my Eco Sour gel and I still use my Denver brush. I just stopped diffusing and I added this Mielle Organic styling gel, honey and ginger. I really rock with this product hard. Like, y'all gotta try it. You'll see. It works for my type of hair. I'm showing you what works for me, so yeah. So I'm gonna start by taking my hair out of the towel. It's freshly washed. It's a little dry because it was in the towel. And if you haven't seen my wash day video, go watch it and you'll know how I wash my hair and what products I use in the shower and whatnot. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start by splitting my hair at the bottom and then tying up the rest. Ooh, got hair in my eye. And I still detangle. Take my Denver brush. And like I said, this will forever be a holy grail in my hair routines. Anything I do, I'm using a Denver brush for. Twist out, anything. Brittany's in the background, but I'm taking my Mielle Organic styling gel. I'm adding about this much. I have no chill when it comes to amounts of products. I go through my hair products so fast because I use so much, but I feel like my hair needs it, and I just shingle, so I feel like all the products is worked through. And it really smells gingery. I like the smell of it, but it's not too strong and overbearing. Can we just take a second? Can we just take a second? Can we just take a moment to look at the shine and the definition? It's just amazing. We're just gonna continue. I'm defining my curls. I also trimmed my hair recently. I cut a good 2 inches off of it, so because I wanted it to have a better shape, so that also helped my hair. Same process, just shingling. I'm probably gonna speed up the rest of this video because y'all know what to do, so I'm just gonna keep doing it on camera. And my sections are never really perfect. I just make sure I take small enough sections, not too big, so the product distributes evenly. I find when I take too big of sections, my wash and goes come out way more frizzy, and it just not come out how I like. So taking your time is key also. And my hair is a little dry, so I'm just gonna spray some conditioner water on the section. What I also like about this product is that It gives you like a really good slip, like, and it's not too like gunky. You know how like some gels or like some like holding products for hair can be like gunky or feel like it's gonna leave residue. Like I did not get that with this at all.
Selfish. I like my women like I like my money. Green, little jealous. 'Cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. Oh, I'm a heartbreak that with a stone cold neck, yeah, I'm charming.
Now my last two sections. This is it so far. Really juicy, moisturized. So this is my hair so far. This is only with the Mielle Organic Styling Gel. So with the Mielle Organic Styling Gel, like I really like the hold and everything, but for extra hold and like to like prevent any more frizz from coming, I like to add like just a layer of Eco Styler Gel on top of my hair for that, you know, extra oomph. And look at this label, guys. Remember when Eco Styler Gel was canceled? They took it, you know, they took it to heart and they felt real salty about it. So they made a whole label to let y'all know that they're not toxic. Look at that shit. They lying. But I'm gonna still use it. And I usually add it to where my hair is a lot coarser, which is like right here. That's where like my hair is really coarse. It needs like the most hold it can get, so it doesn't hurt to add it. Just coil up a little, coil up some ends. And guys, the funny thing about my hair, like, this is not even heat damage. Like, my hair grows like this on this side, and it's like really tight on this side. It's just so weird how many textures you could have in your head. So it's really like a learning process, learning how to like deal with all of them to get your hair to come out the way you want. You know, my favorite part, laying my edges. So I'm just gonna put like whatever's left on my hands. And I have to go get my edge toothbrush, so I'll be right back. I think I'm gonna do this off camera actually because this is hard. I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror and it's not gonna work out. So I'll be back. Alright, so now that my edges are laid, I'm gonna wrap them up. With my bandana, wrap it up. My hair out the way. Wrap these bad boys down. Alright, and then that's about it for now. Then I go to sleep. I'll probably like let it air dry a little bit while I'm up, and then before I go to sleep I'll just use my scrunchie to pineapple it until I wake up in the morning, and I'll be back. Hey y'all, so I'm back. It's the next day. My hair is dry. It has like a little damp spot in the middle, but yeah, there's no point in waiting for it to dry. Sorry if I keep looking over here. My mirror is over here. I'm in the bathroom. So also sorry if the lighting is a little, you know, janky, but we're gonna work with it. Anyway, so it's in a pineapple. I'm just gonna take my hair down and shake it out. It's like literally 95% dry. Like I just have like a little dampness at the root. And yeah, it's all shrunken, whatever. And I can wear it like this. I have worn it like this, but most of the time I like to stretch my hair out. So that's what I've been doing. I usually just take my blow dryer on the lowest setting, like warm or cool, and put it on low or high depending like how much in a rush I am, and I just stretch out layer by layer until I get like the desired look that I want.
Just like I like my honey, sweet, little selfish. I like my women like I like my money, green, little jealous. 'Cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. Oh, I'm a heartbreak bed with a stone cold neck, yeah, I'm charming.
And I'm back. This is how it looks after I stretch it. It's still a little damp. I don't like stretch it till it's like dry. Just stretch it to give it the shape that I want. Yep, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please give it a big ass thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. It'll be down in my description box or like somewhere popping up on the screen. And I'll see you guys in my next video.